Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today we're going over one of the first things you'll learn when working on Palo Alto Firewall, the security policies. So if you're labbing or studying for certs, this course go. Security policies are what make your firewall functional. They decide what traffic flows and what gets blocked. Without policies, there's no protection. It's that simple. Start by logging into the firewall through the web interface. By default, out of the box, the IP address will be set to 192.168.1.1. Go to Policies, then Security. This is where all your traffic rules live. Click Add to create a new policy rule. Give it a name that explains what it does, like Allow Internal to Internet. Clear names make future troubleshooting easier. In the Source tab, pick the zone your traffic is coming from, usually trust. In Destination, select Untrust for internet-bound traffic. Under Application, you can choose any for testing, or get more specific later. Set Service to Application Default for safe port usage. And in the Actions tab, choose Allow. Once your rule is set up, click Commit to save and apply. Until you commit, the rule doesn't do anything. So to recap, we went to Security Policies section, we set up the source and destination, we set up the services and application, and we set the role to allow. And we also committed the policy in order for it to be enabled on the firewall. That's the basic flow for security policies. If this video helped you, drop a like and a comment. And if you want to follow up, maybe we'll do a app ID policy or a NAT policy next. Subscribe for more no-fluff IT and cybersecurity content from the Fit IT Guy. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep working hard, keep training hard.